Hello and welcome to Commercio.network Blockchain Daily Tutorials. Today's video main topic is a cross-platform and scalable blockchain. If you're enjoying the content on this video, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Are you after scalable blockchain solutions that also offer cross-platform compatibility? Look no further than Commercio.network. Our solution combines the best of both worlds, offering the following benefits. Cross-platform compatibility. Commercio.network solution allows you to build cross-platform apps that can be accessed on Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, and Android. This means that you can reach a wider audience and ensure that your apps are accessible to everyone. Scalability. Commercio.network solution is scalable, meaning that it can handle a large number of transactions from companies growing faster. This is especially important if you're planning to build an app that will be used by a large number of users or if you're expecting a lot of traffic. Affordability. Commercio.network solution is not only affordable, but it also has stable gas fees, ensuring that you won't have to deal with fluctuating prices. This is especially important if you're on a budget or if you're looking to save money on transaction fees. Extensibility. With Commercio.network, you have access to many libraries and extensions, and you can easily create new ones. This means that you can customize your app to meet your specific needs and requirements. Distributed network. Commercio.network solution is distributed across up to 90+ independent validator nodes, ensuring that the network is always alive. This means that you can rely on our solution to be reliable, efficient, and available at all times. By choosing Commercio.network for your scalable and cross-platform needs, you can enjoy these benefits and more. Our solution is reliable, efficient, and affordable, making it the best choice for your business. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.